Director General of Police DGP Manipur P. Doungel today launched Patrol Watch mobile app and Tourist Police Bishnupur at Bishnupur District Headquarter. Patrol Watch app is a GPS-based location tracking application which enables SP and gazetted police officers of the district to supervise real-time deployment of police personnel on various duties. Tourist Police Bishnupur is also launched to provide security and police service to tourists visiting this district, particularly at Maibamlotpa War Memorial, Peace Museum, Sendra Kaibulamjau National Park and INA Moirang. A Tourist Police Bishnupur helpline number 918798907141 was also launched by DGP Manipur. The launching function was attended by Ashutosh Sinha, ADGP Intelligence, Clay Khongsai, ADGP Law and Order, K. Jayanta, IGP Zone 2, Angam Kamai, DIG Range 3, Worgnam, DIG Range 2, Mangkhogin Haukip, DIG Range 4, N. Herojit Mitai, SP Bishnupur and other rank officers of the district.